Standard 7th class, subject Maths, chapter number 3, SCF and LCM. Today we learn part number 4, the division method of finding the SCF. In the third part, we have learned how to find SCF in 3 ways. In this fourth part, let us find SCF by division method. This is fourth part, find SCF by division method. First example is find the SCF of 144 and 252. In these two numbers, small number is 144, so divided by 144 to 252. 144 ones are 144. 4 is not subtract from 2, so that cut the number of 2, write down 12. 4 subtract from 12 and remainder is 108. 108 subtract from 144. Remainder is 36. One 108 divided by 36. 36 threes are 108. And subtract from this number 108. Subtract from 108. Remainder is 0. The divisor in the division in which the remainder is 0 is the SCF of the given number. म्हणजेच दिलेल्या दोन संख्यांना ज्या संख्येने भाग दिल्यावर भागाकार 0 येतो ती संख्या म्हणजे त्या दोन संख्यांचा मसावी होय. We will find the common factor is 36. 36 is the SCF, that is the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 36. To reduce the number to its simple form, म्हणजेच संक्षिप्त रूप देण्यासाठी आलेला मसावी 36 या संख्येने अंशाला व छेदाला भाग देणे. 252 ला 36 ने भाग दिला. 36 7 252 आणि पुन्हा छेदाला 36 ने भाग दिला. 36 चौक 252. The reduce the number to its simple form is 7/4. Next example is find the SCF by division method and reduce to the simple form. Example is 209 and 247. The small number is 209. Divide the bigger number by the smaller one. 209 ones are 209. Remainder is 38. 209 divided by 38. 38 5s are 190. 190 subtract from 209. Remainder is 19. And 38 divided by 19. 19 twos are 38. 0 is the remainder. 19 is SCF of the given numbers. Here 19 is the SCF, that is the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 19. 209 divide by 19. 247 divide by 19. 19 11s are 209 and 19 13s are 247. Reduce the simplest form is 11/13. Let's solve example practice set 12 question 2. First example is 275 divided by 525. Here smaller number is 275. So that divide the bigger number by the smaller number. 275 ones are 275. Remainder is 50. 250. Then 275 divided by 250. Remainder is 25. Then 250 divided by 25 and remainder is 0. When divided by 25, remainder is 0. 25 is the SCF of these given numbers. Here SCF is 25. That is, the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 25. Reduce to simplest form of these two numbers. 275 divided by 25. 525 divided by 25. Reduce simplest form is 11 upon 21. Next example is 76 divided by 133. Smaller number is 76, so 133 divided by 76. 76 ones are 76. Remainder is 57. Then 76 divided by 57. Remainder is 7 subtract from 16. 6 subtract from 7. Remainder is 19. 57 divided by 19. 19 threes are 57. Remainder is 0. The divisor in the division in which the remainder is 0 is the SCF of the given number. SCF is 19. Reduce to simplest form 76 upon 133. 76 divided by 19. 133 divided by 19. 19 fours are 76 and 19 sevens are 130. Here simplest form is 4 upon 7. Third example is 161 divided by 69. Bigger number is 161 and smaller number is 69. So I divided here 61 by 69. 69 twos are 138. Remainder is 23. Then 69 divided by 23. 23 nines are 69. Here remainder is 0. So SCF is 23. Here 23 is the SCF of 161 and 69. 161 divided by 23 and 69 divided by 23. Here reduced form is 7 upon 3. 161 in the table of 23. 23 threes are 69 and 23 sevens are 161. Here reduced form is 7 upon 3. Here completed practice set well. Solve these 3 examples in your notebook. Thanks my students. Stay home, stay safe. We meet again part number 5 of chapter number 3 SCF and LCM. Thank you. The great mathematician Euclid. Euclid gave us rules of composite number can be written as product of prime numbers.